Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how you can has Google in your Nintendo Switch 2. Is possible? Okay, the ugly truth and the fast answer is no. Okay, not is possible. But I'm here because I see other videos, the people that make possible have Google in YouTube. But this videos is dangerous. Okay, warning. Okay, dangerous. Pay attention. Pay attention. Be careful because Nintendo they can ban or block your account, and if they make this, you can lose your games. Example, this game is a key card, okay? This game is a key card, okay? Key card is a game that has in your account. If Nintendo block your account, you lost that game, and that game because it's a key card, okay? Be careful with your account. Don't make stranger things, okay? Be careful, and you don't need Google in your Switch 2, okay? Don't take risks, okay? And this is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English, sorry for the ugly truth, but that's the truth, okay? And see you later. Have a good day, and sorry for my bad English again.